Yo, what's up, people? Today, I'm gonna show you how I set up for my clothing brand. So we got a bunch of hoodies that we need to print today, and I just thought I'd go through like the whole process. Um, Obviously, yeah, man's still rocking the buzz cut. It's been nice. Can't lie, can't lie. But yeah, my whole idea basically is to just go through all the hoodies, get all the prints done. We got the heat press right here. That's what we're using to print all the clothes. But yeah, let's get started, dude. So before we get started doing all the prints and that, I need to move this because I don't want anything in the way while we're printing, and then we'll have it all set up. Just moving this real quick. God, that shit's heavy. So now I've just moved it. You see the track marks, that's crazy. See the track marks? Just moved it here. So now I'm gonna throw this on here, and then that'll give us enough room so that when we're doing the prints, it'll be all fine. So. Amazing, we're ready. Ready to get started. I just need to go get the prints and it'll be all good. The blanks are actually in this box here. I've got them all set up there. So I'm just gonna take them out one by one. I'm gonna do the large first just so it makes things easier. And then yeah, that's how it's gonna go. Get the tunes on as well. I don't know about you guys, but at least for me, when I'm like doing any creative shit, I need that good music, you know what I mean? Like I need like the right music on. Get like all that creative shit out. I don't know. I'm gonna try and find what I need. Perfect. Let's go. Ha! Things. I'm just trying to get you right. Yeah. I can see it in your eyes. You just trying to make your mind. But you're different, girl. I feel like you the one to change my world. I could buy you anything from diamonds and pearls, Gucci and Birkins. Like shawty, you perfect. It's going pretty well. So I'm basically just cutting these prints out. If you can see the outline, you see that reflection? That's the outline that we need to cut out. So I've already had like a machine cut it out for me, and I just need to peel off the excess that's around it. So I've just been spending quite a while peeling the prints and stuff. You know, this is all the stuff that's left over from just fixing up the prints. And then I've also decided to mark each of the ones just so I know exactly which is which, and then it'll just make it more efficient when I'm printing and stuff. So I'm gonna tidy up, and also I haven't eaten yet. It's quite late, so I'm gonna maybe eat. Maybe, we'll see. So I'm all done eating now. Gonna start printing. Just need to turn on this heat press now. Just gotta wait for it to heat up. It's going well, it's going good. We getting all these printed, man. We getting all these printed. The way you love me, I can't get you out of my head. And I'm still holding on to every single word that you said. Girl, you've been running through my mind. You the type is hard to find. Got the print here. What I usually do, just so we get it in the center. And so now you got lines here, so you know exactly where the middle is. I'm just trying to make you mine. You don't gotta tell no lies. Girl, you've been running through my mind. You the type is hard to find. I'm just trying to make you mine. You don't gotta tell no lies. Girl, you've been running through my mind. You the type is hard to find. I'm just trying to make you mine. You don't gotta tell no lies. Got the print right here. So again, we split it in the middle so that we know where the middle is on the hoodie. We don't want it to be misaligned. So usually what I do is I put my fingers down, 4 fingers from the top, because you don't want it to be right at the top, you know what I'm saying? You want it to have a little bit of a gap. So I usually do 4 fingers and then just align it. And then once it's all okay, then just go ahead and press it. There we go. We just take it up. There we go. It's all printed. And with this one, you could peel it off while it's hot. Some of them you have to wait, but yeah, just like that. There we go. Been working for a while now. Got quite a lot done. These are all done with the front print. We still need to do the back as well. Got these ones as well too. Just doing the back one for this one now. But yeah, just gotta keep pushing. Let's go. Yo people, that's the end of the video today. I'm gonna link my clothing brand in the description. I'll put the Instagram up now. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.